In front of me is Xiaomi 14T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. Then hit OK in welcome pop-up. Tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on and go into Tab menu. Then select Edit button at the bottom. Look for Caffeine shortcut and click on it to add it. Then use this check mark at the top right corner and click on your new shortcut. Select the gray switcher next to Allow modifying system settings. Go back, click on the shortcut again, and as you can see, this time is blue, which means that sleep time is now set up to infinite. If you want to disable it, click on the shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!